guy's coming in hot like a bat out of hell.
Dude, that guy's been hot all fucking day. Who's kid is that?
I don't know. Alright guys, so traveled way out here to Illinois for this backyard show. You can see it is starting off. Got a lot of these single shots. Look at this. You can see it is powered by a battery over this way. We got some cakes, a lot more single shots. The angle on those, I'm looking forward to seeing how these go. Using the Cobra system, of course. You see it covered in the boot. I think there's 25 or plus modules. Look at the angles, some of these on the cakes here. Bunch of pro items from 76. Loving the angle on those. See how he held them together? The spikes coming through. So we got here, we have bushy purple comets. Ooh, that's gonna look nice. See a bunch of slices going on. You got some humming snakes. More slices. Normal racks. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10-shot racks right there. Big old cake in the back. We got going on here, so you can figure this out here. This is a 300-shot whistling tail, the red, white, and blue. Nice, red, white, and blue. That is from T-Sky Fireworks.
All right, Mr. Weller.
And here comes the man of the hour, the one that designed this. Found this on the ground.
Oh yeah, there's a few things we probably gotta find. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool.
This is Scott.
What's up, Pyro Nation?
His head design going on right here.
Yeah.
So what do you want to say about this as we walk through it?
This is just about 8 months of just coming up with stupid ideas and trying to make them happen. So we got a little crazy, and
he definitely went crazy. Wait till you guys see the
should be an over-the-top show. So we got some interesting things we've done. This is a car battery linked to a relay, so it will shoot all 40 of these in one shot. All the way across.
That should be pretty cool.
Give us a wall.
Are they all the same color?
Yep, exact same two-stage mine.
Very nice.
Pretty cool.
Very nice.
We have assorted boards with mines and modules. This is going to be my attempt at writing the letter or number 70.
Ooh.
So we're going to have it. It's going to be rolling stars going up in the air.
Okay.
I have no idea if it's going to work. I
guess we'll find out.
I hope. This is my emergency fill-in in case something doesn't go and I need something to look pretty. So it's a couple little racks, a bunch of fan slices all over the place.
So you got some nice purple bushy 76 Pro line cakes over there panned out. Yep. That's gonna look sick.
Yeah, that should look pretty cool. We got all kinds of pepper cakes and fan
I saw the red,
cakes.
white, and blue there.
Yep, from T-Sky, which is actually they've come out with some really nice stuff lately.
Okay.
Now watch out for the cable. We got line rockets this year.
Now check this out, guys. So you see this, you can barely see it, but you can see it when I put my hand right there. That over there, there's a pole way down there to this, and then one way out this way. It's gonna be line rockets. So let's talk about these things we got going on here.
These are some goofy thing I thought up. I was gonna do a waterfall effect, but they always create a ton of smoke.
Right.
So these are special effects gerbs. They are smokeless, per se, so they're a little smoky, but not bad.
I don't think you ever get away from smokeless.
Yeah, and but they're just going to be a really cool, different effect that's going to be just like floating waterfall in the middle of the space.
Very cool. See, we have two of those right here.
But
see that thing up in the sky, that crazy thing? Yeah. That's nuts right there.
That's going to be...
I'm excited for that.
That's 321 shots in 6 seconds. Should be something else.
Should be interesting.
And if you see off on the right there, we got a 300-foot or 275-foot mine. The black tower on the right, and then we have two on the floor over here, one over there and one way back there. So they should go up 3 at a time.
Look at this, guys.
Pretty cool.
Look at this. It just spreads.
Yeah, we just got cakes everywhere.
Just spreads everywhere. It's a mix of 1.4 and 1.3, which makes it really nice.
Yeah, so we got salutes up the wazoo. There's tons
Nothing wrong with salutes.
No, we got a ton of salutes. We got the part of the finale, we're going to put 10 2x100 salute cakes at one time.
And I saw that. It was all in that line back here, right?
Yep. So there's 10 of them at one time are all going to fire.
How sick is that? So how many salutes do you think total are in this show?
I don't know how many salutes,
look at this.
but I do know that we have...
Quick brocade crown in 4 seconds. Look at that.
We have 17,463 explosions.
Wow. Did you hear that? 17,463.
Should be something to see.
Whew. Got some candles going on.
Yeah, the 5-gallon buckets you see everywhere. We've run into issues where the cake's set on fire.
You got the
so it's just an easy way to douse the fire at the end.
Some of that 1-4 stuff you guys have noticed. Hooligan, Quit Stop by Sky Bacon. You got Flood Red by Brothers.
Yep, we got some
Silver Screen, one of my favorite items to use because of the effects that they do have in them. Really nice.
We got these are really cool honkers. You ever heard of those?
No, I've never heard of those.
Oh my god, they sound like a cat dying.
Really? So I guess this is going to sound pretty interesting here.
Yeah, so we got a bunch of those going off at once.
Check this guys out. We got some of these little guys right here.
Yep, those are concussion mortars.
And there's literally a line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them that all should go off at the same time.
Yep. It'll work. We hope. We got a lot of really cool, beautiful specialty cakes.
This is a 2-inch 50-shot tank salute. First shot is a dragon egg. Now the reason why they do one color is because of the storage.
Yep. And they can regulate it.
Otherwise, if it's all salutes, it has to be in a special bunker.
Yep. So if you look way down there, you got one cake you see sitting there.
Yep.
Then you got one way over there, sitting out there in the horizon. Those are those particular cakes are called rainbow.
Rainbows.
Yeah, and they will. I think it's a 600 shot rainbow cake. So it will look like cascading stars.
The whole ends are gonna be all rainbow.
No, the whole thing is gonna look like
the whole end of the ends is gonna combine over.
Yeah,
it's just the ends, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's gonna flood it.
Yeah, so it should come up and totally intertwine.
Very nice.
Should look.
And there's those cakes he's talking about. These ones right here, as they go down the line.
Yeah, they're all down.
The salutes.
Then we got just racks and racks.
Yeah, racks upon racks. Shells there, shells there. 2.5, 3-inch, 4-inch, all the way up to.
You can zoom up there and see.
Look at that. Look at all those shots. Now, if you follow on Facebook, on PYRO Universe, Scott did post a picture. So what I'll do is, I'll snap that picture and I'll put it in here so you guys can get a close-up look of it.
Yeah, and I've done a bunch of assembly pictures of it too as I was going.
All right, so what I'll do is I'll get hold of Scott and we'll do a bunch of pictures and I'll clip them into this too so you guys can see how that was actually put together.
Yeah, and then we tried to V out everything, make it all look good.
Now, I find this interesting, guys. So here in Illinois, any salute by itself, big salute has to be buried in the ground.
Yeah. So we have, these are Lamparis.
Ooh, gas bombs. We all know what Lamparis are. That's the mix of the flames in the sky, the fireballs.
Yep. So we got Lamparis being out. We got, these are the ultra heavy 5-inch salutes buried in.
Ooh, we got some big boy noise.
We got girandolas.
Look at this Dola section, guys. There's what? 3, 5, 4, 7, 8 of them?
8 of them.
Look at this. All kinds of Dolas. The little red spots you're seeing, those are all kinds of Dolas. So it looks like we just got some spin. There's no report on them, right?
No report. They just nice, fluffy, up in the air. And we got, this is one of those.
Are they going to be hand lit?
No, no, no. They're wired.
I don't see the wire for this one.
They missed that one? Should be. There's one.
No, fuck. Good thing I saw that.
Yeah. Well, we got one of them
no wire on that one.
Yeah, we'll take care of that guy. Oh, actually, there was a wire. It looked like it got ripped out.
Oh, there it is.
Somebody.
Oh, yeah, it did get ripped out. You can see the tape is on it.
You know what?
It went too short.
Pause that for a sec. Let's just fix this.
All right, so we got the Dola corrected now. Now you see there is an E-match on it. That's what walkthroughs are good for, people.
Yeah,
you see more shells.
This is one of those mines.
Oh, look at big mine.
275 foot.
275 foot mine. Ooh, green with tail.
Those are going to be cool.
These are, you said, 5-inch ultra heavies. Look at this little, it looks like a lazy Susan.
So what this is these are all comets.
Okay.
All the way around in the center are mines. They're going to fire in series. So if you look here, it's labeled 1. So 1's going to go, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7. So they're going to go in pair. And then as they get to about here,
Uh-huh.
the mines are going to fire. So it should give it like a lotus or like a lily flower look.
That'd be pretty cool.
If it works. I'm
We'll
thinking
see, right?
will.
We'll see.
And just so you guys know, I know there's a lot of people bitching at me. I put this up on one of the forums and everyone's like, you idiot, you can't point at the audience, you da-da-da-da-da. That's why we are all the way back by the 5 inches.
Literally, that is, I would say, honestly, it's probably a good 800 plus feet away.
Yeah, so we're well within reason, so just breathe, everybody.
Got to some big boys, but we're not done yet. Look in the distance. Whoa. Some more big boys.
Yeah.
And there's that cake we were looking at from the distance over there, and I zoomed in on that cake is right there, the rainbow.
And if you look over there, you'll see we got more shit in the field.
Yeah, if you, let me zoom in while we're up here. Right through that tree, there is more stuff right there. It's just a lot, a lot. You wonder why it took 8 months to do all this. Mega crew out here working today. Look over this way. Look it. Crazy.
So I think we got 34 8-inch.
34 8-inch.
Yep. And then we got 8 10s in the back and one big 12.
And a 12 way back yonder. Look at these. Look at this though, guys. Look at these 8s. How insane is that?
So we got a beautiful shoot site, a beautiful day.
Now it looks like you have 2 10s that are angled. There's gonna be like a pair when they go off.
Yep. And they got
Very
tails,
nice.
big Nishiki Kimuras.
Ooh,
with tail.
We love to hear that Nishiki.
Every shell that we put in this show, that's why it took me so long to work on this, have been specialty picked. They're all really nice top-end shells. They're like pagodas and
all
the
pagodas are
Nishikis
really
and
nice.
just
Yeah.
really, really high quality,
Good stuff,
pretty
Scott.
stuff.
Great stuff. Look at that.
No
that
peanuts.
right there in itself, that's like a great picture in itself, just looking at that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Look at that. Look at us, all those 10s and that 12 just hiding in the distance there. There's the 10s. See those 2 yellow? That'd be the pair. And look at that 12. Look at that.
And we got a rarity of the 12 back
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that though.
No,
Nothing
so that
wrong
should
with
be
that.
a beauty. Watch out for the one wire we got here.
Yeah. With a gorgeous, and being a gorgeous day. It was a 12.5-hour road trip to get out here, but it was so worth it.
Which I appreciate the hell out of you making, man.
Get to visit some other pyros doing their art.
Yeah, you got to meet quite a few of them out here, too.
I did.
Yeah.
I got to meet a lot of guys from RCAM Fireworks, a bunch of other guys that make some more new connections and people to talk with. It's always fun to do.
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, that is the setup, and we will see you at showtime. Here's this out here. A little closer look at that. Because out to the side, you couldn't see it in the pasture. And then there's the rocket and some other cakes right there. The line rocket can be pretty cool to check out. There it is.
Good thing you didn't put the drone on. That was shot that right out of the sky.
There we go. There's the big boy. Woo!
That was legit.
Dude, look at the hang on that. No way I'm gonna get all of this. There's just no way. There's so much going on. Those are nice color.
Wow, those are pretty. I don't know where to look.
There's so much going on. So much going on. I heard it.
My favorite.
Yeah, you like these things, don't you?
I'll give that to you. I like that. I like those two.
Nice. That feel, that's amazing.
Yeah,
Boom,
those
boom.
are really
You smell that, y'all?
Oh yeah, it's light. That smells everywhere.
good. Yeah. Further away.
So pretty.
Oh,
sweet.
those are nice. Oh, there it is. Dude, that looks amazing. Oh!
That was sick.
That was sick.
That star was sick.
That was sick. I'll give it that. That was sick.
Lighting up the sky.
Oh, he beat it. He beat it. There it is. Oh my God. It is, you'd have to be like a mile away.
Yeah, I agree.
Like, it's so much.
IMAX, baby. IMAX.
You don't know where to look. Screw it. Taking it off. No tripod.
Steady hand, my friend.
Yep.
Steady hand.
Yeah, no tripod. There's just wait. Too many things.
I don't even know where to point this thing at.
Yes, we do.
Dude, there's just so much.
There's definitely something up back there.
Dude, that's a massive fire.
Yeah, that's a big fire.
What?
There's a fire going on over there.
I don't think the fire marshal gives a shit.
Dude. Yeah, that's
That's a
bad.
big fire. That is a big
That's
fire.
a big fire. That's a bush on fire.
Yep, now they're heading over.
Oh my God,
are they
that is a
going?
massive fire. Yeah, look at that thing. He should. I don't know if he has a dead man switch in this though. Dude, that's roaring.
No, it's not good. That's a big fire.
Oh. Where's the fire?
He can't. There's a wire through there.
He can't go that way. Dude, look at that. That's insane. That fire's still... Oh, those are nice. Jesus. My God. Nice. Yeah. That area, yeah. God damn. It's the rainbow! Should be two of them coming off though from both sides. You messed that up. Right? I found a German Dola this out. that thump.
That was it.
Pretty, y'all.
This is those stumps.
Wow. Alright, it was worth the 12.5-hour trip. Dude, that was nice color in that. It cut off. Do that buck overflow halfway through.
Huh?
Alright, that was definitely worth the 12.5-hour drive out here to Illinois. Fortunately, the camera messed up and got a buffer overflow about partially in there.
I got all of it.
But I did get all of it on the phone, so I can piece it together for you guys.
We never got those that were supposed to come across.
Yeah, that's